This should be a good race here. These girls are speedsters. You already know. Haley Hunt is no joke. She means business. She's unattached. Lane 4, Haley Hunt. Black Lightning way out in lane 8. That's the youngster, Ryan Sproles. Ryan Sproles is going to take second here. Haley Hunt runs away with it. 38:02, and they're off. This should be another barn burner. Jasmine Harvio, lane 1. Rain Hawkins, lane 2. Alana Bush, lane 3. Jasmine Wilson, lane 4. Jalen Berryman, lane 5. Riley Montez, 6. LaShue Hayden, lane 7. And London Hardy, lane 8. Black Lightning is all over the track. Lane 4, that's Jasmine Wilson of Black Lightning. Jasmine Wilson of Black Lightning. Alana Bush of Cuyamaca. Oh, it looks like Wilson of Black Lightning. 40 points. Joey, Simone from Black Lightning, Cameron from Black Lightning, Ayana, San Bernardino, Isabella from Riverside, Prashnicia, Helena from San Diego, and Melrose from Black Lightning.
On the inside.
San Diego Mesa's Helena Baez. Right at 40 points. Helena 40.70.
Size 60, I might got killed. Standing so tall, I think I might got still. Legendary boy like Mike, like Will. 96 and Paula, thug like four wheels. Up against the wall, struggle at Fox Hill. Boss asked me how I feel. Steps the street, touching their first meal. Running all right.
Lane 1, Farron Kelly, Mount Set. Farron, 44. And they're off. Genesis of Black Lightning. She's in lane 2. She has taken the lead. Genesis. Black Lightning. Did someone pull up? Did someone pull up over there? Is she okay? Do we need a medic?